Hi all, in this video we are going to see about logic gates. Logic gates are semiconductor devices having one or two inputs and only one output. On the input terminal we will give digital inputs, and on the output terminal we will obtain digital output. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of some electronic units, and the output is based on the certain logic. Based on this certain logic, the gates are classified into 7 types. And, OR, and NOT gate are the three basic gates. NOR gate is derived from connecting the output of OR gate to the input of NOT gate, and NAND gate is obtained from connecting the output of AND gate to the input of NOT gate, and XOR gate is the exclusive OR gate, and XNOR gate is derived by connecting the output of XOR gate to the NOT gate, and buffer is the considered as an amplifier. Some of the basic features of logic gates is that we will use this in various applications such as arithmetic logic units in microcontrollers and microprocessors, and the half adder, full adder circuits, that is combinational logic circuits, registers, flip-flops, latches, and TTL, that is transistor logic circuits, CMOS logic gates. There are wide variety of applications using logic gates. See this example of logic gates implementation in a PCB. Before going to the logic gates, we will see about the digital signal, because the inputs and output of a logic gate is a digital signal. Digital signal is a discrete signal which changes their values in only two states, that is either high state or low state. 0 is known as low state and 1 is known as high state. The zeros and ones are known as bits. One high state and one low state together called as one cycle. The frequency of the digital signal is inversely proportional to the time taken to complete one cycle of that signal. This is the symbol of AND gate. Inputs A, B. There are two inputs and the output is Y. The Boolean expression is output equal to A dot B. The AND operator is dot operator. In the AND gate, if both the inputs are high, then the output will be high. If any one of the input is low, then the output will also be low. We can see few examples for the better understanding of the AND gate. Consider two switches here. Two switches are given to an AND gate and the output of the AND gate is given to an LED. In case 1, the two switches are in off condition, that is low level, then the LED will not glow. That is, the LED is in off condition now. Consider case 2 and case 3. If either one of the switches in on condition and the another switch is in off condition, then also the LED will not glow. In the fourth condition, two switches are in on condition, then the LED is also in on condition. We can also use transistors to implement the logic gates. What is a transistor? A transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device that regulates current flow or voltage flow and acts as a switch or gate for signals. The three terminals of a transistor are base, emitter, and collector. Here in this example, consider the gate as a base and the source as a collector and the sink as a emitter. If the base is not triggered, that is the base is given the low value, then the current flow or voltage flow from the collector to emitter does not occur. Now, if the gate is open, that is the base is given high voltage, then the current flow or voltage flow from the collector to emitter flows. There are two types of transistors. One is PNP transistors and another one is NPN transistors. In PNP transistors, the base is N type and the collector terminal and emitter terminal are P type. In NPN transistor, the base is P type and the collector and emitter terminals are N type. These are the symbols of the NPN and PNP transistors. Now we can implement transistor as logic gates. Two transistors Q1 and Q2 are connected in series. If both the inputs are low, then there will be no current or voltage flow towards the transistors, so the output LED will be in off state. Since this is an open connection, the connection is not closed. If both the inputs are high, then the current flows across the transistors and the LED will be glowing. Thank you for watching. Watch our videos regularly and keep supporting us.